Hello, in this tutorial, we are given the question on differential equation, and we have to solve this differential equation using the method of separation of variables. So we have dy on dx equals x on x times x minus 2 on e of y. In this case, what we do is that we multiply here by dy and here by dx. So we are going to have e of y dy equals to x times x minus 2 dx. Now expanding this bracket, we are going to have e of y dy equals x squared minus 2x all dx. Great. Now the next thing is to integrate both sides. So we are going to have this one integral of this equals the integral of that. So e of y, the integral of e of y is e of y. Then we integrate this one here. We are going to have 1 on 3 s cubed minus s squared plus c. But this is an indefinite integral. So you can leave the solution in this form or you solve for y. So if you have to solve for y will be equal to log of 1 on 3 x cubed minus x squared plus c. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.